Man, it's your boy Six, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I need you part of the family. What's good, y'all? We back with another video. Yes, before we get started, like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, we are in Koh Larn. I was holding out, but now I gotta spill the beans. No gatekeeping. Yes, we are in Koh Larn. It's beautiful today. This is my type of living, y'all. If you're not walking in sand, this soft powder white sand, crystal clear water, you're missing out. You know, this is life right here to me. Flew all the way across the world from America to Thailand just to envision this right here, man. This is what I see in my dreams. When I wake up in the morning, I was born to be by the ocean side, man. I'm a beach baby, man. I'm not used to or built to be in the cold no more. You know, I'm all the way from Ohio back in the United States, and it's cold. The winters, it get cold. I ain't built for that, man. I'm built for this beautiful shit right here. This is just beautiful, man. This is just gorgeous, you know. Oh my God, man. The waves are just so pretty. Oh, this is just gorgeous. So I came to New Orleans Beach. I hope I said that right, but I came to this beach because for the famous monkeys. Yeah, you see that mountain behind me? Known for the monkeys, man. Known for the monkeys. So we're on our way down here to check out these monkeys to see if we can get in touch with one. See if we can, you know, if there's life on this mountain. How beautiful, y'all. Look at the crystal clear water, man. This is just so relaxing. The splash of the waves. Word of advice, get out and travel. I'm always gonna tell you that, man. This is life right here, you know. And if this ain't for you, then it ain't for you, but I'm quite sure if you're on this channel, then you like something about the beach. You like something about the sand.
Она не возмущается.
Чтобы она возмущалась, ты это кормишь.
И собака привела. Глянь, как
Сеня.
я на плечо выдумала. Кто хочет банан, тот садится мне на плечо. Так, большую я давать большой не буду, она пожрала все. Иди-ка, песик. Песик, смотри, что у меня есть. Глянь, я на его писик. Глянь. Еще спускаются. Он из кустов лезет. Вон, залезла. А собаки, кажись, их главные враги. А я еще чуть погладила
Look at think it cool.
For sure.
А, так его.
Yeah, they cool. You can feed them. They'll come right up to you, man, and let you feed them and everything. They cool.
That's my first time ever seen a real monkey in the court there. You see a lot of monkeys? Oh, Nita, this not her first time. Hey, this is my first time ever seeing monkeys. Yeah.
This was all for you, but not for me.
Have you seen a lot of monkeys?
Yeah, I see a lot. In the zoo or something, that's why I'm excited with this.
Yeah, this is exciting for me.
Damn, I wish I had something to feed them.
Yeah, I was gonna stop by the market and get like a little basket of bananas, but you know, I didn't end up getting a motorbike. But once we started driving, man, I started thinking like, man, I probably could have rode that motorbike. It wasn't bad as I thought it was gonna be. But this worked out better though, so I don't have to do no driving, because I would have had to get my passport and everything. Hold on. Why you sit your stuff down? Why you holding them? That's a nice picture. On that rock, that's a good picture. You take picture on rock?
No, I don't like to take a picture.
Okay.
How my brother know he's not even from here? Big compared to that other one.
You think this beautiful, but can you go another beach? It's more beautiful.
Yeah, I only wanted to come to this beach for the monkeys. I did. I like this beach though. I think this is a beautiful beach too, though. No, I'm scared of tiger.
The dog is named Tiger just today.
What name too?
Yeah. The dog sits behind you.
Man, I hope y'all enjoying yourself, because I sure am. I ain't gonna lie. I've been waiting to see the monkeys for a long time, and scratched that itch today.
I'm so afraid.
I'm not sure where we're heading next, but we're definitely going to another beach, so y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all gotta be enjoying this. This that real content. Yes, we are at beach number 2. This beach is called TN Beach. It is secluded. We're walking across the boardwalk, and you see the beach in the background. You see the jet skis. Oh my God, it's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day today. Yes, it is hot. I'm sweating like a dog, but I promise you, it's all worth it. You feel me? This is all worth it. Yes, we're back at another beach. We're at TN Beach in Koh Larn. Yes, it is beautiful, man. Oh my God. Paradise in Koh Larn. This is Pattaya's best beach. I just got my shoe wet.
Didn't I get kiwi the other day and I didn't like it? Yeah. I got kiwi at the mall. I'm not getting kiwi. Hey, what'd you get?
Just water.
Yeah, I want water too.
Give me water too.
Oh, y'all want to try the coconut?
Nah, you talked me out of it. You talked me out of it, man. Yeah, I know it ain't. It's supposed to be healthy for you though. That's why I be trying to eat. Yeah, on a healthy tip. Yeah, healthy wise. I ain't trying to be healthy, but I just wanted to taste it. But that's cool, man. I'll wait.
Hey, man, should we have bought the lady of water?
No, she said she didn't want nothing. Did we ask her?
I think she was lying because she thought she was going to
You think so?
Yeah, should we bring that lady of water?
Tour guide?
Yeah.
Bring her water?
Hello.
We can get her water.
Yeah, I think she said no because she thought she was going to pay for it.
No, we get her water, man. It's hot out there.
I know. And she all dressed, she bundled up. Like
Yeah, she is. Yeah, she is.
What?
The tour guide lady got all that clothes on like it's winter, like it's cold.
Yeah.
Bro, so what happened with you and Free?
What you mean?
Y'all kicked it?
Yeah.
You didn't hit her, did you?
Yeah. You have to go?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm ready.
Go.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Phil. Lost my balance.
Go.
Yeah.
Do you want to play jet ski today?
Yeah. I thought we was. Yeah. I was trying to. Might have to wait till tomorrow, huh? Is it too late for today?
Yeah.
Damn. Might have to just do it tomorrow in
No, it's
Pattaya.
not too late. You can
We might have to do it tomorrow. What the hell is that?
It's squid.
Y'all ate
Squid?
it?
เอาน้ำเปล่าค่ะเอาเมนูมาด้วยก็ได้จะเอาอะไรเพิ่มอีกเหรอมึงกินหมดแล้วนะอ๋อขวดกินหมดแน่
This was right here.
แต่ห้าของมันอ่ะ
You don't know?
Oh,
ข้าวของมึงอยากสั่งอะไรเพิ่มหรือเปล่า
it's cool.
Yeah.
กินอะไรได้บ้างเนี่ยตรงเนี้ยมันกินได้ข้าวผัดปลาทอดก็กินได้ข้าวขอเมนู Legit to your holiday. Right now, you can save 50 pounds per person. That's 200 pounds off for the family of 44. Oh, เล่นด้านนอกเลยนะคะ
Oh, you gotta hold it.
นี่จับครับจับเอวเอาไว้ด้วยนะคะระวัง
Hold on.
เออถูกปลา
That's the piece of Jet
Jet
2
2
holiday.
And right now, you can save 50 pounds per person. That's 200 pounds off for a family of 4. This is mine.
So we go out there, right, babe?
Yeah. Oh!
What happened? No? Oh. No?
Okay.
You not drive? What happened?
โอเคครับ ลงหน้าครับตรง
Oh shit! What up, man? How you like? You ain't fucking with it? You ain't fucking with it?
You did it once, you done done it.
Yeah, did you right? Yeah, that is the truth though. You know, I just had to do it down here in Thailand with the Thai mommies one time. It's cool. Your girl a pro out there, man. I tried to get cream on. She was like, no. She was scared. It's fun, man. I just didn't want to do too much and flip that motherfucker.
Yeah, but it seemed like, of course, the one they got better than mine. Mine's a see-through too, but
Yeah.
my shit seemed like it's easier to tip over. Like, man,
Yeah.
that one that they got, seemed like you had to really be doing some bullshit to tip that over.
Yeah.
You want to go fishing?
Everyone fishing
ไป
tonight?
ปะตกหมึกกันไหม
You fish?
Yeah.
Mm,
I'm good
okay.
with that.
All right.
I working at the fishing squid
Oh.
floating before.
Oh.
ไปไหนอะตกหมึกที่ไหนอะตกที่ไหน
น่าจะท่าเรือนั่นแหละ แต่ไปตอนนี้เหรอพี่วันจะเกิดอะไรนะ
We can. They might not be there though, cause it ain't got dark yet. But we can go check and see.
อยากไปไหน
Whose stuff is this?
Mine.
ไม่ขี้ไม่ขี้
Do you say it with a P or a B? Like pa or ba?
พี่
Pa. That means let's go.
PH
Pa.
Bro, we about to walk down there.
The 7?
Yeah.
Hey, you want some drink? They're going to the 7. You want to put that room key in here?
Huh?
Man, that was fun, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed yourself. This is where I end the video. Say bye-bye, Cream.
บายบาย
Bye-bye. Adios.
Hey,
Wow. Wow,
Hey,
really
wow.
good one.
4,000
Dang.
Did we bet?
เดี๋ยวมันจะพ่นหมึกอะมันจะพ่นหมึก
And you got a
put it
big
out.
one.
ไหน
คุณไปในน้ำแล้วเมื่อกี้
Tell Cream I got 2,000. She eat it.
Oh, Brian said they give you 2,000 baht if you eat it.
Yeah I can eat like this
He said she'll eat it like that, bro.
She eat it.
She'll eat it right now. She said. She hungry right now anyway.
I can eat anything
4,000
That shit that dude made, some type of, what's that, fish sauce?
It's like seafood sauce
Seafood sauce. He really about to eat this shit. It ain't too big?
Yeah it's too big but I
You
want
don't
to
eat it. But I want it.
ไหนบอกพ่นหมึกแล้วไงไม่เดี๋ยวกูอะ
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Young girl. My teeth ain't strong.
No, hell no, it ain't strong. Open your mouth. Yeah, I want to see that black food.
รุ่นหมึกคอย
Good.
อร่อยเนาะ
Okay.
บ๊ายบาย
Bye bye. Enjoy นะคะ
enjoy your meal